Hello here. So I remember Froggy. So we're at a ski village. So today I'm going to show you Spring adventures. So let's get started. Whee! What? What was that? Smurf! I thought you were at the ski village doing something. Yeah, no, I just wanted to come here and just play with you. Okay. Okay, what am I supposed to do now? Smurf. What? Okay. What do we need to do now? I don't know what to do. I think I know. What was that? I think we can go to a campsite. Really? Yes. Okay, let's go. Dun dun dun. So this is our tent, right? Yes. Yes. Why not? It have 2 seats on it. Can you? Okay. Fine, I will go. Now we still need to just go inside.